Hi, how are you? I'm making tehri for lunch today. This one pot meal with lots of vegetables, fragrant basmati, and aromatic spices is really simple. You will be able to cook this easily. Let's begin. Have you subscribed to my channel already? The whole spices, stick of cinnamon, black cardamom, green cardamom, peppercorns, cloves, and cumin seeds, garam masala powder, and ginger garlic paste, coriander powder, cumin powder, pinch of turmeric powder, red chili powder, and some chaat masala powder, fresh coriander leaves, and green chilies, salt for seasoning, a good quality mustard oil, clarified butter, ghee. We'll also require sliced onions, diced tomatoes, diced potatoes, florets of cauliflower, sliced carrots, French beans cut into long pieces, and sweet peas. A cup of basmati rice. I'll wash the rice and drain the water. Heat a pan. Add in some clarified butter or ghee. Once that has melted, add in the washed rice and just fry the rice till it becomes glossy. This should take a few minutes. I've been frying this for 2 minutes now. You could actually feel that the rice grains are not sticking to each other as much. So I'll just turn off the heat and take it out. That's how it looks. Keep this aside. Heat some mustard oil. Tehri is traditionally cooked in mustard oil. The oil is smoking up. So I'll just add in the whole spices. Lower the heat. Add in the onions. And fry them till they are golden in color. I'll just add in the bay leaves that I had forgotten and cook it along with the onions. The onions look done, so I'll add in the tomatoes and the potatoes. Add in the carrots, the cauliflower, and fry it for a minute or two. Lower the heat and add in the dry spices, the ginger garlic paste, that smells good. I'll just add in a bit of water. The peas, the beans, and season with salt. Now you may use vegetables that you like. I like beans, so I'm using a lot of it. It's totally up to you how you want your tehri to taste. If you like cauliflowers, add more of it. If you like potatoes, add more of it. Now I'll tell you a little secret. What I do is I remove the cauliflowers. Try the recipe. If you like it, leave your feedback in the comment section and share it with your friends. And add in the rice. Now, since the rice has been cooked Earlier, we just need to toss it with the vegetables for a minute. Be gentle. Add in the green chili. You may slit it or chop it. Even remove the seeds if you like. This is looking good. Add in some warm water. So the water you add should be just about double the amount of rice. Give it a mix. Once that starts boiling, put on a lid. Let it cook on medium heat. After 2 minutes, add in the cauliflower. This way, the cauliflower will stay firm and not go mushy. Add in the garam masala at this stage. Cover it and cook till it's done. Let me take a look. That looks done. So just lightly fluff up the rice. And just put the lid back on and let it rest for 5 minutes. Let's take a look inside. Sprinkle some coriander leaves on top. Lots of it. And mix it lightly. Serve the tehri hot with some raita or yogurt on the side.